is nothing else on earth like it. To step foot onto the Great Wall of China. In particular, the best preserved Mutineers section is a favourite, and with good reason. This was the first area to be opened to tourists. And it remains to this day as the most complete and best preserved part of this mammoth landmark. This part was built and then reinforced by the Ming dynasty during the 14th to 17th centuries to defend what is known today as Beijing from the invading Mongolians. The best preserved Mutineers section is 12 kilometres long with 43 watchtowers, just 19 of which are restored and open to the public. From here, APT guests can view much the same sight as those who stood watch all those centuries before. Could you have seen the enemy? And if so, how quickly? Not soon enough by the look of the walls. The holes were drilled to shoot arrows at invaders who were now near enough to wound. It's hard to believe that this was once wide enough for 10 soldiers or 5 horses galloping side by side. The best preserved Mutineers section is also where Empress Dowager Cixi fled Beijing during the Boxer Rebellion. Already, APT guests would have visited her summer palace. APT guests are given a glimpse of the wall seen by very few. With APT, you will feel privileged to have access to the best preserved Mutineers section. There you will be treated to beverages and an exclusive buffet lunch, authentically prepared by a local restaurant. For you, this means being in the moment, taking in your surrounds and fully immersing yourself in the experience. Because there is no greater way to appreciate this UNESCO World Heritage Site than travelling here with APT.